The Weckman Optimi corrugated sheet design program is most easily found on the homepage at weckmansteel.afi in the menu in the top bar and in the databank there. Other free Weckman design programs for both lightweight purlins and composite slabs can also be found in the same place. At the top of the program page there are several tabs that guide you through the design process. On the left side there is a tab with information about the calculator. On the Project tab, you can fill in the project information, select the structure type and the width of the plate field, which affects the calculation of the number of fasteners. On the Design tab, select the Eurocode National Annex and the Reliability class. The design deflection limits are by default in accordance with the Euronorm, but they can be changed if necessary. The spans, cantilevers and, if necessary, the roof slope of the structure are entered on the Structure tab. In addition, the support widths and joint types are entered in the view. Changes can be made one span at a time or, if desired, several at once. If you want Weckman load-bearing corrugated sheets to act as a buckling support for the top rafter of the roof truss in the design, select this. Enter the width of the building. The lateral force as a share of the compressive force of the rafter is 2% by default. By selecting U-profile for free end of the corrugated sheet field, a better design result is achieved. In addition, the compressive force in the top rafter is entered. If the compressive force is not known, the force can be used according to the compressive capacity of the top rafter, the yield strength of the steel times the cross-sectional area. The Fasteners tab allows you to select fasteners suitable for steel supports and joints. On the Loads tab, the snow load can be selected from the location menu with either the Finnish or Estonian Euronorm National Annex selected. The load is added to the calculation by clicking the Accept button. In the same way, other loads on the site can also be added. The self-weight of the corrugated sheet is included automatically, and you do not need to add it yourself. On the Design tab, select a corrugated sheet from the menu and click the Design button. The designing is initially done with the thinnest raw material thickness. By selecting either one or two-phase optimization, the program finds the optimal thickness for each corrugated sheet length. The load-bearing capacity of corrugated sheets can also be increased by extra side overlapping. The completed calculation can be printed in PDF format. The calculation model can be saved to a file or an old model can be opened from there. In the right-hand window, the structural model with overlaps is displayed on the Structure and Loads tab. On the Envelopes tab, you can select different result figures for the screen. The Results tab displays numerical results. The Profiles tab allows you to view the cross-sectional information of sheet metal profiles. More information about load-bearing corrugated sheets can be found on the Design Instructions page.